Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we will learn about how to make the subplots or multiple graphs within the Python. The compiler we are using is the pycharm compiler. So how we can do it? First of all is like I have explained in my previous tutorials, you need at least two main libraries or modules for to accomplish these type of graphs, and these are matplotlib library and the numpy library. So we need to import them out. Import matplotlib is mlt, okay, or mlt, or you can write mlp as well, okay, no problem at all. And one more thing, import numpy is nmpi. You may get error if the compiler used to generate error that they are not here or they are not imported. Then you need to click on file and click on new project setup and settings for new projects, and here you can go to Python interpreter, then on this insert sign, and here you can write matplotlib, and you can install this library by clicking on this install package option. And same for the numpy, okay, same you can do same for the numpy module. I am not doing it because of the fact that I have already installed both of these packages. Okay, now after it is done, we need to write two variables, any variables, like we can say variable underscore 00 and variable underscore 01. Okay, these are two of our variables, and for what we are using them just to store some values in it, and of what sort of data they can store. It depends upon what sort of data they are given, okay, so they will decide their own data type. Like we will write here like nmpi dot array and nmpi dot array. So this is a specialized function for to generate numpy arrays, and obviously we must have to give some sort of data so that it can convert that data into the numpy array, okay. So the array must be in the data must be in the form of list data type, like in this square brackets. So we can write 12, 19, 22 and 28, and here we can say 4, 8, 10 and 14. So these are 4 points. So we can, okay, now we will this on the right hand side, these commands, that is nmpi dot array function, will convert this data into numpy array, and then we'll store it in variable underscore 00 and variable underscore 01. Now what next is, now we will call our mlt block, mlt dot subplot, okay, subplot, and we will write 1, 2, 1, okay, mlt dot plot, okay, variable underscore 00 and variable underscore 01. Now what will happen? This subplot belongs to this matplot library, okay, and what it will do, it will see these arguments that we have written 1 to 1, and what is the meaning of this 1 to 1? That there must be one row, okay, and 2 columns. Means that there is 1 row and 2 columns, and the first thing, in first block we will get our first graph, okay, and then we can see, okay, let me show you so that you can understand properly. mlt dot show, okay, like this, and mlt dot plot is for to plot these both of these variable values on the graph. That is first is on x-axis and this one on the y-axis. So okay, now we can run them out. Okay, it's saying mlt dot. Okay, we also supposed to write mlt dot pyplot. Okay, pyplot. So it is a bit essential. Okay, mlt dot subplot and matplotlib. Now you can see that we have space, some sort of space. You can see that we have space left on the right hand side of this graph actually, but we don't have the space on above or below. Why it is so? Because there is just one row and two columns. This is first column and this one is second column. And if we want to make two rows, then we need to write 2 comma 2 comma 1. Now you will see, now you can see that there are two rows. From space you can judge. Okay, two rows and two columns. Okay, and if you want to like 3 rows and 2 columns, then what will happen? You can see there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, sorry, 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so now wait, let me draw it in the second one. Okay, in second. Okay, also wait, like, okay, now we will draw the same graph in the like 3 comma 4. Okay, 3 comma 2 comma 4. Okay, fourth one. Now you can see it is 3 rows 2 columns, and why it is 4? Okay, because this is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth one. 3 cross 2 is representing rows cross columns, but this is 2 and 4 representing the linear, like linear counting, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth one. Okay, like if you want to, like in fifth one, in fifth block, we will get it here, like you can see. Okay, can we write some other variables? Yes, we can draw some other graph as well. Okay, like if we want to, variable 1 is equal to this, and variable underscore 2 is equal to this, and the same point we will copy, and then okay, and we will change a little bit the points. Okay, like 1 9 and 21, and here 23 22, and this one is 15, this is 1, and this is whatsoever we want to write. Okay, it's 4 1. Okay, and if we want to write okay, variable underscore 22, okay, it must be variable underscore 22. Now we will do the same thing, mlt this and this, 3 comma 2 comma 3, and we will write here as 22, and this one as 1 1. Okay, and we will see that we will get 2 different graphs. Okay, now you can see we have got 2 different graphs on the what's called as the on the subplot canvas. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can draw the multiple graphs with the help of subplot function within the pycharm. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.